Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create AI data stream posters using custom shapes. Create a deep blue digital background, then add vertical glowing lines using rectangle shapes. Now duplicate them for a dense data stream effect. Add a text circular shape behind the model or product. Insert the subject and brighten with curves. Add hologram bars using thin rectangles. Give them soft outer glow. Add binary code text lines and reduce opacity. Now add floating hexagon shapes for a tech feel. Then add dune blue and cane glows on edges. Insert AI headlines using futuristic fonts.